Today, we're diving into the innovative features of the Kenwood Dual Air Fryer, designed to make your cooking healthier and more efficient. This air fryer boasts dual 4-liter baskets, allowing you to cook different dishes simultaneously without flavor crossover. Its sleek design, available in brushed stainless steel or copper, adds a modern touch to any kitchen. One standout feature is the Max Crisp function, which ensures your meals are cooked faster, hotter, and crispier, perfect for those who crave that satisfying crunch. The sync function is a game changer, synchronizing the cooking times of foods with different requirements, so everything is ready to serve together. For larger meals, the dual cook function combines both zones, providing ample space for bigger portions. With rapid air circulation technology, you can enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 80% less fat than traditional frying methods. The user-friendly digital touch control panel offers 8 preset programs, including a dehydrate function, giving you versatility in your culinary creations. The adjustable timer that goes up to 60 minutes, or 12 hours for dehydrating, provide precise control over your cooking. The Kenwood Dual Air Fryer with a shake reminder and easy-to-clean non-stick baskets. Upgrade your kitchen experience with this versatile appliance and enjoy healthier, delicious meals every day for families or those who love to entertain.
Kenwood Dual Air Fryer.
forhome.co.za, online shopping the easy way.